There's a bunch of automation that leverages the route label also. The first one is local breakout. So by default, for all 9.6.0 appliances moving forward, when you configure local breakout, you know that it automatically has IP SLA rules that are configured for you. And in 9.6.0 or later, for brand new orchestrators, you notice this at the top, the destinations have changed. We're going to have a separate session in TOI that talks about the new IP SLA 2 destinations that are available in the v6 addresses. But the main point is that this is the local breakout bio configuration. And notice down here at the bottom that there's a route label option. What this effectively means is that for all those local breakout IP SLA rules that are automatically created, they will all just automatically be created with the internet route label picked for them. Same goes for HP SSE. You can pick, you go create a label called HP SSE, and then just use that label in the HPE SSE IP SLA automation. Now, every branch, when we look at these statuses, even though this, let's take Zscaler here, what I'm mouthing over, this label. This thing is not tied to a static route. It's just tied to the IP SLA. But that's okay because now it acts like a little reporting mechanism. What this is saying is that for the Hong Kong Google Cloud Hub, Zscaler is in the upstate. So it provides like an interesting auto aggregation thing. The only way that this thing could say up is if the any versus all condition was met for the route label that you configured. So it ends up being a pretty interesting way to very quickly bubble to the top the status of a given subsystem. For instance, here we have Netscope, ClearPass, Internet, HP SSE, but each one of these automations has a little spot for you to select the route label. Like for instance, Zscaler down at the very bottom, you can see there's another little selector, Netscope, even service orchestration. For each of the different service orchestration services that you create, you can bind it to a route label if you want to.